get it. Why don't you
Hey,
take it
Dad.
off?
Put away the arm shot.
Here, Ashley, now. I'm going to take it off from yourself.
Yeah.
Open it!
No.
Why did you give me a guitar?
No.
Now this one also has a CD. Ooh. Ooh, look, I get a Lego game. A Lego board game.
No.
Remember that? Yeah.
Ooh. This is a P. Which one's which one? What's this?
Good. What's that?
What is it?
Charades. For Ashley.
What is this?
A game, Ashley.
It's called charade. I can't find any for me. God, what is this?
Alex.
Nice. Now, let's open this one.
Oh, wait now, wait. See
Let's
what
see
names are
whose
on
names
it.
are on them. Yeah.
I know this one is mine. See? It says, to Ashlyn, Happy Christmas. Daddy, this one's for you. And Eva. Daddy, this one's for you.
Good girl, Ashley. Well,
Daddy, this one's for you.
there's one for everybody.
It says to Mom and Dad, Happy Christmas. Mom. Oh, that's for Grandma Una.
We're over here.
Yeah. This is for you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. What did you get from
That's
Garrod?
nice.
Oh, that's very pretty. Oh, Princess Eloise, we were looking at that today on telly.
Yeah.
Happy Princess.
Princess Eloise. Now, what else do I open? Well, I don't really see any more on my
Well,
Well, maybe if you came over here and you talked nicely to your own phone, there might be something for you.
Thing. Which one's for you?
Which one's for you? That's for you, Ashley. That's for
what
you,
is
eh?
this?
Thank you. Ooh! It's like a rolled doll book. Magic finger.
Another roll down, is it?
I like those, right?
And, ooh, a princess puzzle. I already have one in 3D.
Right.
Oh, look, roll down. Wow, a princess puzzle. Wow, and clothes.
What's that?
Like your jumper extra.
Hey. Now what else?
I'm telling you. Clothes.
That's the name box. The woman says.
What else do I open?
No,
I think that's it.
What else do I open?
I don't know. What do I open? What does Nanuna open?
Oh.
Hayden, did you see your jumper?
Yeah.
That's far.
Thank you, Ashley.
Thank you.
Ooh, is that for me? Thank you very much, Ashley.
This is also for you.
Oh, even better.
I will be kissed. Ready?
No.
Thank you very much, Ashley. We got a big hug up, Hayden, for the gift.
Oh, lovely. Isn't that gorgeous?
Yeah,
Carousel.
So, who's it?